Let's log on to the computer and see what has grown today. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon and welcome back to The Journey. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. To stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so, and give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs that I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other interesting videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to come see us today here at The Journey. Okay everyone, we're over here on XEDMEX platform, and as a reminder, the previous day was a 2.05%. Today is Saturday, December 9th. The market is closed, and with the market being closed, everyone, some profits are trickling into the day. So I'm just going to update everybody on today, because once I start doing withdrawals, I will usually do my withdrawals on the weekend. I'm not there yet, everyone. I'm still in build mode. But again, we have a couple items here. I like it puts this little window to the right, everyone. It tells us when you can actually restake. As you can see, we have $19.09 of Bitcoin. It tells us we can restake that. We have $10.06 of USDT. On the TRC20 network, we can restake those. We also have profits of $9.34 in BNB, $9.14 in Doge. And in Tron, we have $6.89 in profit. Litecoin, $6.10 profit. It's not enough to stake though. And we have $4.60 there and 183 in ETH. So that's how everything is proceeding right now. Without the stakes, our total balance is $3,146.99. And we have 34 stakes. We're going to restake those, everyone. But before I do that, let me see what these 11 notices are about, everyone. I've clicked on that and I'm just waiting for it to load up. We have profits received. That entire page is profits received. Let's mark those as red. We're going to head back over to the home screen, and it's staking time, everyone. USDT first. It automatically defaults everything there, everyone. You don't have to do anything. Just hit the staking button. If you notice, I hit restake. I don't do anything but scroll down, and I hit the stake to trader button. Now that we're over here on this page, everyone, we joined, I want to say, not last Friday, but the previous Friday. So now coming up on 2 weeks here, we're at 9.79%, and that's $274.88. We currently have staked $3,108.94. And that is 36 stakes. Right now we're in build mode, everyone, and when we're building, we're building. And yes, this platform does look like QUOPI that's now gone. But I jumped in it before QUOPI left. They look alike. I'm not holding any ill feelings toward this website for looking like QUOPI. I do not know if it's the same owners of QUOPI. I do not know any of that. Deep down, I probably don't really care, everyone, because as long as the platform works, it works. When they don't work, they don't work. Now, also, everyone, I don't spend a whole lot of time trying to hope a platform comes back. When they're gone, I just use an example I told George in my comments the other day. I said I treat it like a car that's fell off a cliff. When a car is falling off a cliff, everyone, it's total loss. You can be the best repair body shop in town and you can get that car back running. But is your time worth that? You know, my time isn't. So again, you know, QUOPI appears to be gone. I don't jump in into those telegrams trying to figure out if it's here or not here. So sorry to drift off course with you all, but now I'm back on course with XEDMEX. And we have $143.41 profit that we have made since we've been in this platform. We have made $5.93 of Litecoin profit. We've made $5.92 of Tron profit. We have made $100.77 in TRC20. We've made $2.04 in BEP20, $9.09 in BNB, $5.93 in Doge, and $1.78 in Ethereum. USDT USDT on the ERC20. We don't have any of that stake, so no profits can be made in that, everyone. We have 2 notices. I'm sure they tell us those staking starts, but we'll check those out later. Since we have some stakes that may have changed since our last update, we'll go through those. All stakes are 30 days, everyone. If you was in that platform that's no longer here, you know pretty much how all this operates. But again, I'm in this platform and I'm moving and grooving, everyone. All right, let's go to these stakes that have some time period on them. We have 2 right here that have been in for 1 day. One is made 15 cents, one is made 16 cents. One's $10, one is $11. We'll go to the next line where one is made 22 cents, it's $15. Again, that's 1.48% for the 1 day. On 2 days, we have a stake, both of them are $16. They've made 47 cents, that's 2.96%. And we have one more here that's $14 that's made 41 cents. Now we're going to jump on these 3 days. It's 2 of those. 3 days of 30, we have made 4.24%. That's 72 cents on $17. That's 68 cents on $16. This next line or 2 deals with 4-day stakings, 4 of 30, and we've made 5.72%. That's 11.44 cents on $200. That's $3.16 on $55.23. That is $27.78 on $485.74. The next line is still dealing with 4s except the last one. And we made 80 cents on $14 stake. We made 57 cents on a $10 stake. And now we're dealing with 5 days. 5 days of staking has achieved a 7.63%. And we staked $500 on 2 separate occasions. One was on Tether and the other was on Bitcoin. Both of those $500 stakes have made $38.14. We have a 6-day stake. Now on these next 2, we staked $13, it made $1.27. We staked $179, it has made $17.57. That is 9.77% on those 6-day stakes, everyone. We have one more 6-day stake. $13 has made $1.27. Now we're dealing with 7 days of staking. We staked $17.20, and that made $2.04. We staked $13, and that has made $1.54. All right, everyone, we're still dealing with 7-day stakes. We staked $50, that's made $5.93. $15 that is made $1.78, and $49.92 that is made $5.92. We're still dealing with 7s on these next 2. We staked $49.97, that is made $5.93 for both the $49.97 stake and the $50 stake. Now we're jumping up to 9 days of staking where we have achieved $14.94. $300 made us $44.83 profit. $230 made us $34.37. $30 made us $4.48. All right, everyone, we have one more here. $25 made us $3.74, and we have $100 that made us $14.94. We have 2 other stakes that are 0. Those probably the ones we just staked, everyone. They have not received their time because this thing trades on the New York Stock Exchange from 9:30 to 4. Stock Exchange is closed on the weekend, so there's no money's coming in, but sometimes you're trickling in profit. If I lock down something at 11:59 on Saturday, it may not receive its profits to 11:59 if I lock it down on Friday at 11:59, it may not receive its profits till the next day, which is Saturday at 11:59, almost midnight. All right, everyone. So now our current balance, $3,146.99. We also have some claiming bonuses we need to do over here. That's under your latest results, everybody. We're going to claim that daily trading bonus. It's been a couple dollars, and it's still a couple dollars. So we're going to claim that $2 and whatever cents that was for our commitment bonus. So every little dollar adds up until we jump into, again, we're right now in build mode, everyone. I'm not sure when I'm going to start withdrawing. Again, that's a chance I take. A platform has to stay around long enough for me to withdraw. I'm not a Monday night quarterback, you all, though. This is risk capital. This isn't my car payment or my house payment or anything like that. This is risk capital. So again, when things are going good, everyone, that's when I try to talk that diversification stuff. But always try to be diversified, everyone, if you can. Everything doesn't need to be paying 10% per day. You may be in something that's only paying 1%. You may be in something else that's paying 1.25. You may be in 2 that's paying 1.5. You know, diversify, though. If you diversify enough, hypothetically 10 platforms, if 4 of them are not hitting that well, those other 6 will quickly shutter those 4 that may just be fizzling. I ain't saying they're gone, maybe they're just fizzling. Next thing you know, you look over that fizzle account and the bacon is cooked, letting it fizzle. But that's just my little 2 cents, everybody. You can figure out your own style or whatever. I show you what I'm doing. If any parts of my journey work for you, I said in my very first video called The Journey into Passive Income, copy it, use it. You know, the wheel's invented. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. You know, there's no patent on what I'm doing and other people are doing. Choose whatever works for you, and I don't preach just because what I'm doing is what you need to be doing. It's your own journey, same as I'm calling my channel The Journey, everyone. This is the journey I'm on. I'm just documenting it here, and this is a passive income journey. If you if you jump into platforms that pay you long enough, you'll be surprised at the kind of passive earnings you'll make if you're new in this space. If you're not new, you're very aware of what this space will do. But, you know, every time a platform fails, though, we lose some people. But for the 2 people we lose, I guarantee you all 10 more jump in it. But if it's not for you, it's not for you. But a lot of times in the Telegram, people like to get in there and rant and rave. Telegram should be all about passing information to everybody. That's my firm believer of it. You know, some people actually need to lay on somebody's couch when some of these platforms fail. Don't be that person, you all. Just know, risk capital only. All right, you all, I'm going to get off this soapbox. But other than that, I have 3 notices. Let me jump on those 3 notices. It tells me my daily bonus has been collected and staking started. We're going to mark all those as red, and we're going to jump back over here and wait 44 hours and 41 minutes for XEDMEX to go back to work and attempt to make us some passive earnings, everybody. All right, everybody, I'm trying to roll into 2024, and I believe XEDMEX is going to be one of the platforms that rolls with me. All right, until the next XEDMEX update, you all take it. Thank you all for watching the video on